You enjoying yourself? Good. Hey, you want to do your animal noises? Yeah? Do you want to do your animal noises? Alright, you ready? What does a rooster say? What does a cow say? What does a pig say? What does a sheep say? What does an owl say? What does a monkey say? Good job. What does a goat say? This is a new one. What's a goat say? Good job, Ma. What does a lion say? What does a snake say? What does it say? That was a silent hiss. What does a dog say? What does a cat say? Meow. What does a mouse say? Squeak, squeak. What does a bird say? Tweet, tweet. What does a horse say? Neigh. What does a frog say? Rabbit. What does a lizard do? That's right. What does a fish do? Good job. What does a turkey do? What does he say? Gobble, gobble, gobble. What does a duck say? What does I'm sitting an animal. What does a clock say? Good job. What does a train say? What does a fire truck say? What does it say? A police car or a fire truck. I think I do the same noise. Remember? Ringer, ringer. Good job. What does a penguin do? Are you waddling? Waddle, waddle. What does a worm do? What does a worm do? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Hey, Asa. Asa. Look at Mommy. What does Stevie Wonder do? Come here. What does Michael Jackson do? Moonwalk. Asa, how old are you going to be tomorrow? How old are you going to be? Oh, you hear a bird? How old are you going to be? 2, that's right. Happy birthday tomorrow, Asa Man.